Functions, inputs and outputs. So far you have learned that a function is essentially a process that is performed. For example, one such process is getting ready in the morning. You might start out by taking a shower, brushing your teeth, and getting yourself dressed in the morning. Each one of these steps is a part of a function that you perform each morning called getting ready for school. This means that a function has an in part, or something that you want it to work with, and an out part, something that you want it to produce. For example, you may go to a restaurant and want to order a burger. As you get up to the cashier, you'll tell them exactly how you want this burger to look. You'll say whether or not you want cheese, what type of pickles, how well you want it done. These are all the things that you want to go into this burger. The workers at the restaurant will then perform the function or the process necessary to create that burger that you want. This function or process called restaurant will then return you your burger according to your specifications. One way to look at this is to think of a function as a machine. We start by putting items into the machine. These items we call input variables. These are things that we want the machine to know so that it can perform the actions that we want it to perform. The function then takes our input variables and performs actions in order to produce what we call output variables, or what we want to happen at the end of the function. In our fast food restaurant example, our input variable is our order. We tell them whether or not we want pickles, whether or not we want cheese, and what size hamburger or what other toppings we want on it. The workers at the restaurant then get to work performing the process necessary to create the hamburger which we desire with the specifications that we put into our function or our order. You then receive the output of the function, which is your hamburger, just according to how you ordered it. Let's go back to our first example of getting ready in the morning. The function is that you're going to take a shower, brush your teeth, and get dressed. So now I want you to try to think of what might be the inputs necessary and the output that you want to receive according to this function. Pause the video now and take an opportunity to think about this. There are many answers that you could have given to this. For input, you might have said things such as, in order to shower, you'll need hot water and soap. In order to brush your teeth, you'll need a toothbrush and toothpaste. And in order to get dressed in the morning, you're going to need the clothes necessary to put on. The last input in this is also you yourself. You wake up early in the morning and you're going to put into the function the messy, sleepy, unready you. And then the final output will be you all ready for school.